Hi, for this video what I want to do is talk to you about angles in trigonometry. Angles are formed by two rays or segments with a common endpoint called the vertex. And in trigonometry you can have what are called positive angles or you could have negative angles. The difference is the way that they open. So with a positive angle the rotation is counterclockwise. So we always start at an initial side, so a starting side. So this would be our initial side. And then we would also have a terminal side where this is where it's going to end. And basically with a positive angle, you would start at ray AB and then you would rotate counterclockwise until you get to the terminal side, and this would be a positive angle measurement for angle ABC. A negative angle measurement, you would still start with AB as the initial side, and BC would still be our terminal side. But to get the angle measurement, we would go backwards, so we would go clockwise, and this would be a negative measurement. So if you have a negative angle in trig, that means that you rotated the angle clockwise. If you have a positive angle in trig, that means that you rotated counterclockwise. As far as naming the angle goes, both of these would have the same name, and there are several acceptable methods for naming an angle. The first one is that if you only have one angle located at that vertex, so at this point we only have one point, we don't have any other rays shooting off of here. So if you only have one angle formed at that point, then you can say that this is just angle B. If you have more than one angle, then you must use 3 letters to name the angle, or for any angle you can just always name it by 3 letters also. The key is that the vertex must be in the center. So I could call this angle ABC, or I could call it angle CBA. And this symbol right here is just read as angle. Anytime you see that in trigonometry or geometry, that is the angle symbol. So angle ABC or angle CBA are acceptable. You cannot call this angle BAC because angle BAC means that you would be talking about angle A, which there is no angle at this point. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you want me to cover, please let me know that as well.